Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will learn how to use ndarrays in NumPy. The easiest ways to create an array is to use the array function. This accepts any sequence like object, including other arrays, and produce a new NumPy array containing the past data. We will see example of a list. I will just first create our list, and I will name it list underscore one and set it with some values. And now I can create a array. First I need to import NumPy. So I'm going to import NumPy as np, and we can create array from this list or underscore one by calling np dot array and passing our list underscore one. We can now just print our array and check out the result. And here is our output, our array. I'm just gonna clear the terminal, and we can also use nested sequence like a list of equal length lists, and it will be converted into multi-dimensional array. Let's try it. Let's have our list of lists. So this is gonna be list underscore two, and I will have list of lists. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, and the second list will be 10, 20, 30, 40. And now we are going to convert into array. Our array underscore 2. This should be 2. And we can call np dot array and pass in our list of lists, list underscore 2, and then we can just print it out. Or underscore 2, just save and run. And here is our output. Since our list underscore 2 was a list of lists, the NumPy array, our array underscore 2, has two dimensions with shape inferred from the data. We can confirm this by inspecting the ndip and shape attribute of our array. So we can print, just I will clear the terminal and close. To the print function, we can pass in array underscore 2 dot ndim attribute and just run our script and check the results. We can see we get the 2 back. That means it's two-dimensional. And now we are going to print the shape. Just clear. And over here, print our array underscore 2 dot shape. And here we get 2 comma 4. That means we have array with 2 rows and 4 columns. One, two, three, four. Unless explicitly specified, np dash dot array try to infer a good data type for the array that it creates. We can use type dtype to get the data type of our array. Just gonna clear the terminal and print out the data type of our array. So I'll use print and array underscore one, save it and run our script. Need to add dtype dot dtype, save and run. And here we can see it printed int 64-bit. So we have these values over here in our array, integer values. That's why it printed integer 64. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Awesome Code. Keep supporting me and thank you for watching.